Hello, welcome back to Moga Dishes. Today we are going to be making the best kind of rice. So you're going to want to start off by soaking 4 cups of golden rice for around 15 minutes. I personally drain the water twice because the rice just generally comes out better that way. I wait for the water to become a little more transparent than it is the first try, clearly. Now, while we're waiting for the rice to soak, you're going to want to chop 4 onions. Then, you're going to want to add the onions in a pot and add 2 cups of water and let it sit at medium heat. You're also going to want to add 4 to 5 cinnamon sticks into the pot. You're also going to need half a tablespoon of cardamom pods and half a teaspoon of whole cloves. You're going to want to grind them together until crushed. You're also going to want to throw out the skin of the cardamom pods. You're then going to want to grind 1 clove of garlic and 3 Maggi cubes. You've grinded the Maggi and the garlic. You're then going to want to add 2 tablespoons of cumin. Then you're going to want to grab another pot and add 1 cup of vegetable oil. You're then going to want to add the onion mixture that the water has evaporated from and wait for it to come to a boil. You're also going to want to add the garlic mixture. Around 3 to 4 minutes, you're going to want to add 4 cups of water. Once we wait for that to come to a boil, you're going to want to grab 3 carrots and grate them. Then going to want to add the rice that was soaking into the pot mixture. You're also going to want to add the carrots that were grated. After 8 minutes, you're going to want to grab the rice and put it into an aluminum pan. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to sprinkle raisins of your choice onto the rice mixture. I added dark and light brown raisins. I want to put it in at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and check up on it every 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. comment any other foods you'd want me to make. Bye!